Why we shouldn't use AI? Don't steal this. This video is fully true facts. Global warming. AI is using so much power. It is causing global warming and taking lots of water. It is causing our beloved polar bears to go extinct. It's all our fault for using AI. People think that, since I'm only one person, it won't affect water loss or global warming. But everyone thinks that, and it causes water loss because a big group of people use it. Creativity loss. Using too much AI just causes your brain to think you don't need to do any thinking and AI will just do it for you. But what about when you don't have any access to AI? What will you do then? It looks bad. Like genuinely, a 3-year-old can draw better than this. It spreads misinformation. I have no words. Poor whales. AI robotics is coming through to the sea and harming marine life, specifically whales. AI is also harming monkeys by testing them and killing them to make the AI become smarter. So it's easy to put meaning into your work.